this guide, I'm going to show you how to share location to a specific person in Snapchat. Intro. Begin by opening up Snapchat and go to the chat tab and find whoever it is that you want to share your location with. Let's just say we want to do this guy right here. Go ahead and select their profile, and then if you scroll down on here, you're going to see an option for SnapMap. Go ahead and select share location with them just like so. As soon as you select share, it'll go ahead and adjust and share your location with them. Now, it may also allow you to go back to your profile page like this, and if you scroll down, you're going to see a SnapMap option on here. I'm not going to scroll down far enough, but you could select Snapchat and you could also go ahead and tap share location, and then you could choose specific people on there as well. The process is that simple. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.